Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today, once again, I'm here with you to talk about your integers, class 7 TS syllabus, that is Telangana state syllabus. And before going to topic, as usual, let us have a small talk about some warm-up, about proverbs. So the proverb which we are dealing with today is, look before you leap. What do you mean by this, children? Look before you leap means it is a caution that is giving to you, children. Every one of us, as students, you people will do, or as elders, we also will plan our programs. Programs in the sense, whatever we need to do, that we will be planning. But the proverb says that you should be very cautious while planning your things. What is that cautiousness, You should think about the pros and cons of that work, with that planning which you have done. What are these pros and cons means? That means the advantages and disadvantages. I'm using these words because you have so many questions like what are the advantages of this, what are the disadvantages. So I think you will understand it more clear. Advantages and disadvantages of your planning. Then you will have a correct conclusion that whether your planning is proper or not. Then you can plan perfectly and you can have your work completed successfully. Okay, children? So whenever you are planning, of course, at this age you people will be having planning of your studies. So plan them well, which has to be done. And my suggestion here is, children, start with the subject which you feel little bit tough, because it needs some time for you to learn. Then you go for the easy subjects. Okay, children? A small hint for you, a small suggestion from my side. Let us come back to our topic. So we have got the 7th class topic which I am doing with integers. So in these integers, we are going to talk about exercise 5 today. In the previous classes, I have done about the various properties, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property, under additions and under multiplications. Now we are having 5th exercise here. By using various properties, you are going to talk about. In the previous video, children, I have talked about distributive property. I told you that what is the meaning of distributive property? The distributive property tells you about distribution of multiplication over addition. So the first problem which you are having here is the same type of problem. So what is that first problem? Verify the following. The first bit that is given to you is 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Children, I have taught you a property, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So it is in the same way the problem is given to you, you need to prove it. And even one example I have taught you, children, about it. So let us do it. Here you have to go for LHS first. What is LHS? 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. That means 18 into, open the bracket, children, 7 minus 3. How much, children? 18 into 4. 18 4s are 72. So LHS we got 72. Now go for RHS. the right hand side. What is the right hand side you have got, children? 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So, first you multiply 18 into 7. You will be getting 126. 7 8 are 56, 7 1 are 7, plus 5 12, 126 plus of. Still I am keeping bracket. Why am I keeping bracket? Because of this minus sign. So I am getting minus 18, 3s are 54. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5, 54. Now what you have to do, let me open this bracket. 126 minus 54. So let us subtract this, children. From 126, if you subtract 54, 2 here, 7 here. What is the answer I have got? 72. See, children, are they not equal? So what you will say? LHS is equal to RHS. This is how we have verified this sum, children. So, copy, children, this sum. Now, let us do the second bit of it. What is the second sum? This property, as I have explained to you, children, this property is property of distributive property. So, basing on the same distributive property, you have another sum given, the second bit. So, let us see that second bit. The second bit given to you is minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equal to A into B plus C is equal to, you should have A into B, that is minus 21 into minus 4, A into B plus A into C minus 21 into minus 6. This is the problem. Now, as usual, what we have done LHS, we go for LHS. Minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6. What did I do, children? I have opened the brackets. There is no sign, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. So this means what, children? Minus 21 into, same signs, you are supposed to add them. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Since you have got minus sign, you are going to get minus 10. So of course 21 into 10 minus into minus plus 210 is the answer you got in LHS. Now go to the RHS. In RHS, the problem given to you is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So let us solve this. This one we multiply this first. Minus into minus becomes plus 21 into 4, that is 84, plus minus into minus plus 21 into 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 126 we will be getting. So take 126 and add 84 here. You are getting 10 here, 11, 2, 210. See, children, LHS, and RHS. Both are same. Why? Because we have used the distributive property. Accordingly, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So what you will say? LHS is equal to RHS. They have asked you to verify and we have verified. Go through this, children. Now, we will go to the next problem, that is the second problem in this exercise. Second problem is a very simple problem they have given. So let us see this. And the first question of your second problem, children. The question asks, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? What is the integer given to you? Integer given to you is a. The question is, a into minus 1 is equal to what? We know that plus into minus is minus 1 into a. So minus a is the answer. It's a very simple question that is given to you. Now the next one, the second bit, what is given to you is determine the integer whose product with minus 1. What is the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5? The problem is this, children. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. Minus 1 into what is 5? See, children, you have got to sign already. When I was dealing with the other videos, previous videos, I have talked about this. So there is a minus here, children. There is a plus here. Now we need an answer as a plus, but in the problem you have minus. So with what else we have to multiply to get a plus? It is minus. So I should write first sign minus. Afterwards, what, children? You have same 5 means when with one you are multiplying, the same one. Multiplicative identity. 1 into minus 5, minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. So your answer is, what is your answer, children, here? Minus 5. This is your answer. Go through it, children. Now, the next problem, that is third problem. So, in the third problem, you have got find the products. The question is find the products. But how? They are asking you to choose suitable properties which you have studied. So let us take the first bit. The first bit is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now, when you have seen this problem, children, you have got minus 48 is common between these two. This is one number, you have to consider this as a totally one number. So in these two, what is common? You see, you have got minus 48 as common. So take it out. So minus 48, I took it outside. After taking minus 48, what is left behind? Into, we are going to write here. See, in these two, this I have already taken it here. The left behind is 26. I should write 26. Plus, this plus I am writing. Minus 48 I have taken it here. So I need to write this. Since there is a bracket, plus of minus 36. I hope you have understood it here. What I did? in these two, this should be considered as one number, this should be considered as one number. In these two, common is minus 48. I took out minus 48 and I have kept it a bracket. In this minus 48, 1 minus 48, I have taken it out. What is left behind is 26, I have written here, and plus here, and here this 48 is out, so minus 36 here. So what we are going to do, children, here in this case, minus 48 into 26 minus 36. So I can use the small bracket here. 26 minus 36. Now this is equal to minus 48 into this difference, children, bigger number is 36. Already earlier in previous videos I have said that the gap is 10. After writing 10, the big number is having minus, so it is minus 10. That means how much you are getting? 480 is the answer for this problem. Now we will do the second bit here, children. What is the second bit? Second bit is 8 into 53 into minus 125. This is the problem. 8 into 53 into minus 125. See, you cannot use it like this distributive property. To make it 125 also you can split, but you have another number here, so it's not possible. So we go for commutative property. This is distributive property, it is commutative property. When you go for it, let us consider this as 8 into 53 into minus 128. Either you can consider this A into B or A into B into C. If you consider it as A into B in the bracket into C means associative property. Any property, because he is asking property is important, so either you consider it as associative or commutative. When you are talking about commutative, these two should be considered as one number and this as one number. Otherwise, A into B into C, A into B in bracket, associative property. So 8 into 53, how much you will be getting? 8 3s are 24, and then 40 and 2 42. 8 5s are 40 and 2 42 into. How much you are getting, children? The next one is minus 125. So you have to multiply this. So let us take 424 multiplied by minus 125. So of course the answer will be minus. I have kept it, children, here. Now I am going to multiply 424 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 10 plus 2, 12. 20 plus 1, 21. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. And 4 2 4. When you add, how much you are getting? 0. 10. 8. Again 10. This is 10 and 3. 13 and 53,000. So minus 53,000 is your answer. So go through it, children. Now we will be going to the next problem given here, the third problem. The third problem here is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. See, children, there is no plus, there is no minus. So we can talk about associative property for it. What is associative property says? A into B in one group, B into C in another group. So what I am going to do it is, I am taking 15 into minus 25 as one group into minus 4 into minus 10 as one group. This way, what happens, children? Your problem will be simplified. Your multiplication task will be easier for you. So, 15 into minus, when you multiply this, plus into minus is minus, and then you are having 15 into minus 25. 15 5s are, how much, children? 75. 15 2s are 30, plus 7, 37. You are going to get minus 375. So I will write it in bracket into minus plus 4 tens are 40. So the next step will be easier for you if you do like this. Otherwise, you have to multiply each and every term. Properties are used for this purpose only. Minus into plus is minus. Now you go for 375 multiplied by 40. Of course, 0 here. 4 5s are 20, 28, 30, 12 to 15. So the answer that you are going to get is minus 15,000. This is the answer for this problem. Now let us go to the next one, fourth bit. I will do fourth bit, little bit here. Fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Minus 41 into 102. For our convenience sake, children, to make our problem easy, let me write it as minus 42 into 100 plus 2. What did I do? 100, I have taken it as 100 plus 2. Distributive property, so that it is easy for you to solve. So this becomes minus 41 into 100 and then plus minus 41 into 2. Understood, children? Minus 41 A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So, plus into minus minus 4100 plus, still multiplication bracket is there, so I am keeping bracket. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 minus 82. So, what you will see, children? Minus 4100 minus 82. How much you will be getting, children? If you add 4100, you have minus 82. Place values you know very well, children. Keeping them is very important. So you are going to get the value minus 4182 is your answer. Do it, children. Now, we will go to the next one, that is fifth problem. Let us see what is the property which we are going to use in the fifth problem. So, the fifth bit here is 625 minus 35 plus minus 625 into 60. This is the problem, children. Now, in this problem, as I have done with the first problem, common is there. What is the common? 625. But the thing, children, it is having positive sign, it is having negative sign. So, when we take out 625, how we should do this problem? Let us see. So, let me take 625 as common. So, A into B plus A into, of course, minus A, minus of, we will say. So, how we are going to do? 625 when I have taken here, I have got minus 35 here, plus of. See, children, I have taken only 625. I have not taken sign. So for the sake of this sign, I have to write minus 1 here. So that when you are opening the bracket, plus into minus minus, 625 into 1, 625. So we have not done any harm to the given problem. Into 65. This is the problem. So what you will do, children? 625 into minus 35 plus into minus becomes minus 65. So 625 into the 65 and 35 you are adding. This is a 10 and this is a 10. 100 you will be getting. Minus 100. So see children how easy it is. Minus 6250 is your answer. See how easily you could do this sum when you have taken out 625, when you have used the distributive property. So I hope you have understood this, children. Now we will go to the next problem, sixth problem. What is the sixth problem? 7 into 50 minus 2. So again 7 into 50 minus 2, A into B minus C. Of course, plus or minus, we can use it, I told, under addition and under subtraction. So you can take it as A into B minus A into C. So we will write it as 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. I hope you have understood, children. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. That is, this is 350, 7 5s are 35, minus 14. So take 350 and subtract 14 here. You are getting 6 here, you are getting 3 here, and you are getting 3 here. 336 is your answer for sixth bit. So I think you have followed this, children. You can copy it. Now we will be doing the next bit, that is seventh bit. Let us talk about the seventh bit. The seventh bit here, children. Minus 17 into minus 29. So again, children, this I can change it. How I can change it, you see. Minus 17 into minus 30 plus 1. If I make it like this, see, it is minus, bigger number is minus. So minus sign, 30 minus 1. I have to subtract because of different signs. 29. I have got the same value. I have done like this so that I can make your problem easier. So this means minus 17 into minus 30. Isn't it, children? Minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. So how much you are going to get, children? 0, 7, 3s are 21, that is 510. Minus into minus, of course, here it becomes plus. Minus into minus, plus 510. Plus of minus 17. That means 510 minus 17. So go for, children. 510 minus 17. You have got 3 here. You have got 9 here. You have got 4 here. So you are going to get 493. This is the answer for this problem. Now the last problem, I will be doing it here. The eighth problem. What is the eighth problem given to you, children? That is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So this was like our previous problem. So what is common, children, in these two? 57 is common. But in this 57, as we have got in that problem, minus here, plus here. So let me take 57 as common. Then what am I going to get here? I have taken 57 plus here minus. So I'll write it as minus 1. 57 into minus 1. What do you have, children? 19 minus 19. So I am taking it like this. 57 into minus 1 into minus 19 plus this 57 has already gone it here 1. I hope you have understood, children. What did I do? I have taken 57 common in this. Then since it is having minus sign, I have to take minus 1 here. If I don't take, it becomes wrong for you, children, because I have taken positive sign, but in the problem we have negative sign. So for that case, I have to take minus 1 into minus 19 as it is I have taken. And here 57 as it is here, so plus 1. So how much you are getting, children? 57 into 19, 1 into 19, minus into minus becomes plus 1. What is this, children? 57 into 20. 19 plus 1, 20. So 0, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 1, 11. 1140 is your answer. If you have any doubt, children, I can separate these two like this. So this is 8th problem. Minus 57 into minus 9 plus 57. This should be considered as one number. This should be considered as another number. In these two numbers, 57 is common. So I have taken 57. But here, in fact, I am having minus 57. So what I should do? I have to take minus 1 here to get this value. Into, this is minus 19. This as it is, the remaining one I have taken, plus 57 I have already taken it out, so only 1 I have to write. If I don't write 1, this number will be missing. So I have to do, actually when you are making a group like this, once you develop a habit of checking it, 57 into minus 1, minus 57. So this is minus 19. Of course, 57 into 19 he said. So 57 into minus 19. This we are going to get it here. Here 57 I have taken it out. So I should write 1. So 57 into 1 is 57. So it is easy for you to do. Instead of multiplying 57 into 19, again here adding 57 is a little bit difficult. All these different formulae you have got, properties you have got to make your sums easy, children. Okay, I hope you have understood this class, children. You can copy this.